Once upon a time Thailand was the backpacker's paradise. Pad Thai for $1. Beach bungalows for $5. Massages for the price of a coffee back home. But that was years ago. Now it's 2025, prices have risen. Tourism has changed, and you're probably wondering, can you still live on $20 a day in Thailand? Let's find out. For real, here's the short answer: yes. But not the way you think. Because $20 today isn't the same $20 from 10 years ago. But if you play it smart, stay flexible, and think like a local, you can still live very well on $20 a day. Accommodation: $6 to $8 a night. You won't be staying in luxury. But if you know where to look, you won't need to. Avoid Bangkok's Sukhumvit and Phuket's Patong. Try Chiang Rai, Nakhon Si Thammarat, even Trat, near the Cambodian border. In these places, you can still find clean guesthouses or homestays for $6 to $8 a night. Private rooms. Walk-in smile, you'll be surprised how often the answer is yes. Food: $1 to $5 per day. This is where Thailand still wins big. Street food is not only affordable, it's unbeatable. For $1, you can grab a hot bowl of Guay Tiao, Thai noodle soup, a plate of Pad Kra Pao with rice, or a fresh mango sticky rice under a tree at dusk. Go where locals eat. Plastic stools. Metal trays. A toasted ham and cheese sandwich for under $1. A cold drink. A Thai tea with pearls for pocket change. $5 a day on food? Totally doable, deliciously so. Transport: $2 a day or less in the cities. Use Song. They use shared red trucks that cost about 30 cents per ride. Or rent a bicycle for $1 to $2 a day. Even in smaller towns, walking is a joy. Markets, temples, river banks, everything's closer than you think. If you're moving between towns, buses are still dirt cheap. A 3-hour ride might cost $4, which balances out if you're staying put for a few days. Avoid Grab unless it's raining or you're stuck. Prices have doubled in major cities. Activities: $0 to $5 a day. Here's where most people blow their budget. Zip lines, elephant tours, long-tail boat parties. But if you look past the tourist traps, temple hopping in Lampang free. Watching monks chant at sunrise in Chiang Mai free. Night markets with live music in Khon Kaen free. Take a Thai cooking class in someone's backyard for $5. Get a massage from students at a local school for $3. Or rent a kayak for an hour in Khao Sok for under $2. In Thailand, the real culture doesn't cost money. It just takes curiosity. So, does $20 a day still work? Let's tally it up. $7 for a guest house, $4 for food, $2 for local transport, $2 for experiences, $5 for extras, emergencies, or tomorrow's splurge. Total: $20 on the dot. But here's the thing. If you're just chasing that number, you might miss what's in front of you. Because the point of budget travel isn't to scrape by. It's to live freely on less. It's waking up without bills hanging over your head. It's meeting other travelers with the same $2 meal. It's remembering that life isn't about luxury, it's about meaning. Can you travel Thailand in 2025 for $20 a day? You'll see things no luxury resort ever shows you. You'll laugh with strangers over roadside noodles. You'll ride through rice fields on a dusty scooter. You'll sleep to the sound of frogs instead of club music. And you'll realize you don't need much to feel rich. So if you're dreaming of travel but watching your wallet, start in Thailand. Because with $20 and an open heart, you won't just travel cheap. If this helped you dream a little bigger even on a smaller budget, like this video, subscribe for more travel secrets that actually matter. And tell me in the comments, where would you go with $20 and a backpack? The next route might just be yours.